everybody. Me and Wade here for Down South Racing. Got something new on the channel today. We're going to take my RZR out, and Wade's new to him CRF 450 dirt bike. New to him. It's a 03, bro.
Yeah, it is.
So it's new to you. So we're going to try to have some fun on the trails, see what we can do, maybe see if we can get in a mud hole or two. But
definitely mud hole.
Yeah. Wade does kind of have a back tire. I don't know how you can see it back there, but
it's messed up.
He ordered a new one, and it's not coming until next week. But oh well, we're gonna go have a little fun anyway. So hope y'all enjoy. Maybe a little something different. Over here's the Stang. So yeah,
No
but I'm just kidding. But yeah, we're gonna go try a little something different. See what y'all think.
I guess that's how it's done. He did that a lot easier than I did on my dirt bike. But my dirt bike does have a bald back tire. I'll show you guys when I walk back up to it. It's pretty tough. So this is the back tire I'm riding on right now. You can see it's very smooth.
Y'all enjoy this little video of me and Wade going riding. Got the machines good and dirty, as you can see, but I'm not too dirty. Mister, I don't want to be in the video over there, is pretty dirty, but we had a good time. Something different, you know. Wade got a new dirt bike. I've had this RZR for a little while, but don't get out in it much. But it was something fun, you know, something different. I hope y'all like the jumps and stuff we tried to do. We didn't really have a place to do any big jumps, but comment down below if you want us to do that, and we might even build one. But again, guys, if you're new, please subscribe. We're doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, $300 GoPro Hero 5 Black, or a $300 gift card to the place of the winner's choosing. So yeah, tell your friends about us. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs. We've got about 350 to go, something like that. And we're about a little over 620 something, I think, but maybe 630 now. But again, guys, just hope everybody's having a great day, and hope you enjoy this video. This is Zach and Wade.
Also, let us know if you like the off-roading videos better than normal car videos, because I personally prefer off-road, and I know more about it. But if you like them, let us know.